CQ 10 meter. India Zulu 4, Golf Romeo November. Italy Zulu 4, Golf Radio Nancy, calling and standing by, CQ 10 meter, over.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
The station November station, again please, your call, over.
November 0, Zulu, Hotel Echo.
Okay, November Zulu Hotel Echo, I don't understand the number, please repeat only number, Roger?
Roger, the number is 0.
Okay, November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo. Very good evening. Is correct your call, over?
Roger.
Okay, thank you very much. You're 5 and 5 and 6, your report in Nord-Est Italy. Okay, my name is Alex. Alex is my name, Alpha Lima Echo X-ray. Alex, back to you. November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo, Italy 04, Golf Romeo November, over.
Okay, QSL, Alex, QSL, my name here is Greg, Golf Romeo Echo Golf, located in Kansas, Kilo Sugar. I have you peaking at 5x9 with some QSB on my end, over.
Okay, Greg, thank you for 5 and 9, Greg, and you're 5 and 5 and 6 at the moment. In the last message, go down on the 5 and 3, okay? The propagation is not good at the moment. I am working with 500 whiskey, 500 watt, my power. And my antenna is vertical dipole monoband, 100 feet high, okay? What is your antenna and your power, Greg? Back to you, November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo, Italy, Zulu 4, Golf Radio November, over.
Okay, QSL, Alex, QSL, my antenna is a wire dipole at about 9 meters, 9 meters high, a 40-meter wire dipole, and I'm using 200 watts, over.
Yes, very good. Yes, 200 watt into the dipole, okay, wire dipole. Thank you very much for the information. Congratulations, your signal in this moment is up 5 and 6, okay? 5 and 6, 5 and 5, okay, is go up another up, okay? Thank you very much, Greg, for the contact, and I hope to meet you again on the frequency. Best 7-3 for you and family. November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo, Italy, Zulu 4, Golf Romeo November, over.
Okay, QSL, Alex, many thanks for the QSO and the contact. Look forward again. 73, Italy Zulu 4, Golf Romeo November 0, Zulu Hotel Echo, 73.
73, ciao. Alpha Echo 4, Charlie Lima. Alpha Echo 4, Charlie Lima. Alpha Echo 4, Charlie Lima. Is correct your call, over?